everyone, welcome to African Drum Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you the second part of other RESEMBLE. The first beat is 5 slap bass tone to tone, bass bass slap bass tone to tone. But we are going to play it half-half. The first half is 5 slaps bass tone to tone. Now let's try it twice on the drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second half is bass bass slap bass tone to tone. Now let's try it twice on the drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's combine all the beats together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of the second part of other RESEMBLE. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.